Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Landbot for customer support in 2026. If you want to answer customer questions automatically, reduce response times, and improve your support experience, this guide will help you set everything up step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Landbot account. Next, create a new chatbot or open an existing one from your dashboard. Now choose a customer support template or start building your chatbot from scratch. Next, create a welcome message that greets customers and explains how the chatbot can help them. Now add answers to common questions such as business hours, pricing, shipping information, refunds, or technical support. Next, use buttons and quick replies so customers can quickly choose the topic they need help with. Now build conversation flows that guide users to the correct answers based on their selections. Next, add a contact option so customers can reach a live support agent if the chatbot cannot solve their problem. Now preview and test your chatbot to make sure every support flow works correctly. Finally, publish the chatbot and add it to your website so it can begin helping your customers automatically. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Landbot for customer support. Your chatbot can now provide fast, consistent, and automated assistance to your visitors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.